Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show hidden channels on Discord using Better Discord. So first of all, you'll have to go to betterdiscord.app and download and install Better Discord uh, on your computer. And after that, you'll have to go on Google and search for a Show Hidden Channels plugin. And then hit the very first option right here. So if you scroll down, you'll have to go right here to this link, open a new tab, and you'll have to copy this option right here, show hidden channels.plugin.gs, and then go to the code and Control S, and then you'll have to save this as a JavaScript in your computer. So after you do that, you'll have to go to your settings on Discord, and then at Better Discord, go to plugins, open plugin folder, and you'll have to take this to copy this and paste it to your plugin from Better Discord. So right now I'm going to paste that code to my plugin folder right here. And then I'm going to hit download now. So as you can see, the plugin has been added right here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to enable the plugin. And then if I go back to Discord, just let me go back to my Discord account and I'm going to a server right here. I should be able to see the hidden channels on the server. And if I want to disable this plugin, I'm going back to user settings, go back to plugins right here at Better Discord, and I'm going to disable this option. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.